Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to explain WordPress for beginners. Now first let's start with a small intro about WordPress. So first let's answer the question, what is WordPress? Simply, WordPress is just a software that you use to build your website or blog and publish it on the internet. It is also called a content management system or CMS. It is one of the most popular website publishing programs in the world, and in fact, WordPress powers 30% of the entire internet. So now let's talk about WordPress features. You are able to choose from many different themes, which are just template layouts that determine the look and style of your website. You are able to tweak all of the text, including fonts and font sizes. You can also create buttons. You can upload your images and videos and much more. You can also choose from many plugins and widgets to help optimize the functionality of your website. So this is for the people that want to start a store or open up a gallery or whatever it is on their website. There is endless opportunities, and building your website with WordPress is all online, so you can build your website from anywhere that you are as long as you have an internet connection. Now let's talk about how does it work. WordPress is very simple and easy. You don't have to know any coding language like HTML or PHP, and you don't have to save many codes in your head, then recall them back in order to make your website. No, it's much more easier. So all you have to do is to simply create an email, then sign in, and you can choose from many templates as you want. And after that, you can do some small adjustments using your mouse and keyboard just in order to do some modifications for the text, the places of the objects, colors, fonts, images and videos, and so on. And automatically this will change the codes inside your website, and this process is completely done without engaging yourself into the coding mess. Now, to make your first website, you may or may not have noticed that there is a WordPress.com and a WordPress.org. So you might be wondering, which one should I choose? Well, WordPress.com is where you can go to make a free website with their web hosting, but there are some disadvantages. First, your website could be deleted at any time if WordPress feels that you have violated their terms of service for any reason. Number 2, you can't use ads to make money with your website. Number 3, you can't upload any plugins which will help you optimize the functionality of your website. Number 4, you can't upload a customizable theme. You only have their limited options. Number 5, you do not own your own domain name, so it will say something like your domain name.wordpress.com, and you are likely here because you want to make your first website with your very own unique domain name and no limitations. If that is the case, you're gonna want to be self-hosted and use WordPress.org, which is just where you can download their free software. Now let me explain more. By being self-hosted, you have access to thousands of plugins. You have a unique domain name that you own yourself. You have the ability to monetize your website with ads, and you have the option to create an online store, and finally you have complete customization over your website. And there will be also some plans for you if you want to have more modifications on your website, if you want to upload 4K videos, for example, if you need to add site activity log. All these information will be shown in the plans partition of the WordPress. And if you want to create a self-hosted website with WordPress, you can go over to createaprowebsite.com. You can create your own website completely free, step by step, and the whole process won't take more than 30 minutes. And that's it. I hope this video is useful to you all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.